G'day guys, it's Luke here from Hardcore Campers, and I'm going to show you how to set up the tropical roof on your 2.3F. Now before we get started, we do have to have the tent and the awning fully set up as you normally would without the tropical roof, but I'm just going to remove the two front wire poles and then get started. Before we do all that, you need a few certain things. So obviously your front tropical roof set up here. I need one pole for the whole setup, and then 2 ropes, and then 2 bungee cords as well. Now, it is going to be easier if you pre-attach those ropes and bungees before you go through the whole setup, but if you haven't, you can still do it once it's fully up there. So, coming to the front here, like I said, I'm just going to remove these 2 front poles. Like that. I'll just chuck them on the bed. Like so. And then the zip actually starts from the right-hand side here. So grab your canvas with everything attached to it, and look, it is going to drape down, but it'll be up there very soon. The zip will start from that side. So it doesn't matter how you get it, just sort of make it easy enough for yourself. Like that. See if I can do this a bit easier. Okay, so right hand side here just feeds in like that. Make sure it's nice and tight, and we can start. Okay, so that's basically the main attachment for the already existing canvas to the attachment here now. That's all fine there. You could go ahead straight away and do those wire poles we just removed. I'm just going to save myself a bit of admin and throw your bungees over. And just make sure you can still reach them when you're back on the ground. And then from there, the rope that I've got here, I'll just quickly attach it. Now, look, we're in a warehouse, we're not in the bush. So for what I would normally use pegs for, I've just got these little concrete blocks. So I'll run that over there, and I'll come back down and tie it off. Like that. Like so. Okay. Just a little bit of tension just to start off with. Nothing too crazy. With these ones, so remembering we had 2 black bungees, we've got a short one and a long one you can see here. The short one is just going to go directly across to this point here, like that. And then this one back here, which is longer, we're going to tension it off to the back one over here. That's this setup done. We don't have to touch it. Over here, one pole that we will use. I might just get this on the concrete block just to start off with, like that. And then this should start to take shape pretty soon. Don't worry about the height just yet. We'll, finish it all up nice and neat. But as long as this is doing something, that's all we really care about. Around there or so. All right, so I'll just chuck these 2 wire poles in, and then we'll go over some things we need to consider. Now, remembering in the canvas there's an eyelet on this piece, and there's an eyelet here as well. We want this to go through both of them. So, just like that, coming up and through, 1, 2, and then same thing for this side as well. Which is right there. Okay. Now, it's more or less taken shape. It's a bit average at the moment, but we've got to remember if it's raining, we need it to fall over the awning and not under. So, just underneath, get it going like that. Before the install, I pre-tensioned off these sides, so the only adjustment I need to make now is at the front. So here, I want this a little bit tighter, like so. About there. And then my final adjustment will be on this side, and it'll be something like that. And that is your 2.3 triple awning.